If you want to unblock someone on Facebook, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can remove someone from your block list safely and easily. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Facebook how-to videos. Let's jump right in. First, go to Facebook and look at the top right corner of your screen. Click your profile picture there to open the main menu. From that menu, choose Settings and Privacy. After that, click Settings. This will take you into your account settings where you can manage different privacy and security options. Now, on the settings page, look for the blocking section and click it. This is where Facebook keeps your blocked users list. Once you open blocking, you'll see the list of people you have blocked. Find the person you want to unblock. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct name, especially if you have blocked multiple people before. When you've found them, click Unblock next to their name. Facebook will usually ask you to confirm your decision. You may also need to enter your password to verify that it's really you making the change. Type in your password carefully, then click Confirm. And that's it. The person is now unblocked on Facebook. Keep in mind that after unblocking someone, you'll need to wait a short period before you can block them again if needed. So if you're unsure, make sure you're ready before confirming. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.